Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use pre-workout coffee. Many people find coffee a great way to boost their workout. It can enhance your focus and give you a natural energy kick, helping you feel more ready to tackle your exercise routine. Plus, caffeine might even make your workout feel a little easier, allowing you to push harder and achieve better results. Timing is key for pre-workout coffee. Aim to drink it about 30 to 60 minutes before you start exercising to allow the caffeine to take effect. When it comes to dosage, begin with a modest amount, perhaps around 100 milligrams of caffeine, and see how you feel. You can always adjust this based on your personal tolerance and how much of a boost you need. For best results, keep your pre-workout coffee simple. Black coffee is ideal, or you can add a small splash of milk if you prefer. Try to avoid loading it with lots of sugar or high-calorie syrups, as these can counteract the benefits. Remember, coffee is not a substitute for water, so make sure you're still drinking plenty of water to stay well hydrated during your workout. While pre-workout coffee is beneficial for many, be mindful of potential side effects. Some individuals might experience jitters, anxiety, or an upset stomach, especially with higher doses. Also, try to avoid drinking it too close to bedtime, as caffeine can interfere with your sleep. And hey, speaking of good vibes, if your car needs a refresh, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals to keep things fresh on the go.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.